voor de zekerheid. Want het is natuurlijk wel een aparte spreuk. Er is immers toes.
Hey.
Goedemiddag.
Hello. Sorry, English?
Well, I don't mind. You're wondering, probably who we are.
Yes.
Yes, we are from the broadcast company of Limburg,
Okay.
L1 television, and we drive around throughout the province, and if we see some kind of trigger, which was what it says on your wall, the outside wall, is that Afrikaans? Is that from South Africa?
Well, honestly, we're not sure what it is. I think it was a message for the house, but I think it was for the people that lived here before, but we haven't paid too much attention. We haven't paid too much attention to it, so.
Oh, what a shame.
Yeah.
You're not the curious kind of guy.
I haven't really bothered to figure out what it means.
Okay.
But I probably should at one point.
Did we wake you up?
Oh, no,
No?
No, not at all.
You were studying?
Yeah.
Where are you from, if I might ask?
Well, we...
US?
No, not really from the U.S. I was actually born in Japan in a American base.
Okay.
I guess that's what you call it.
Your dad's in the military?
No, my mom and dad work at Teachers. I don't know if you know North.
Which your hoodie says.
Yeah, right here.
I really don't know exactly what it is.
Oh, it's just an international school for American, British, Dutch, German people.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And your parents travel all over the world?
No.
To teach?
No, we've so far just a few places. We've actually lived here for 5 years now, so.
Okay. And before that, you lived in?
Japan.
Which is the country where you were born?
Yes.
And raised for the first, how many years of your life?
13.
13 years. So you're 18 now?
19.
19. Okay. How is it to be brought up in Japan?
I don't know. I really liked living there. It was nice. The food was nice, and the culture was nice. You know, getting to have a wider perspective of the world than everyone else. Like, I know a lot of people that doesn't leave their country for the first 19 years, so I'm very grateful to have had that experience to visit all these countries first.
You speak the language fluently?
No, not very well.
Japanese?
No, not very well.
Okay. So how is it, because North is that's a school? So what is your life based on now, because your parents are teachers?
I graduated there, and I actually am in the process of being a substitute teacher there too, so.
You are a substitute teacher?
I'm in the process of getting it, yeah.
Like your mom and dad?
The actual teachers though.
Okay,
yeah.
what would you like to teach?
I'm not entirely sure yet. That's why I want to get the substitute teacher job first.
Okay.
If I like it, I guess that will help me decide if I want to become a teacher.
Any brothers or sisters?
Two younger brothers.
Brothers. And what do they want to become? Also teachers?
No. One of my brothers is he just says he wants an outside job of some sort. He's a really fast runner. And the other one, he's not really sure yet, because he's only 13, so 13, 14.
You play tennis?
Yeah, I obviously. So, Yeah, I played tennis. They actually finished the season for a couple months. I helped the coach there at the school.
Okay.
Obviously, we couldn't play any games because of COVID restrictions,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's a shame. But
Yeah.
it was fun nonetheless.
Are you any good?
Huh?
Are you any good at playing tennis?
I'm okay, I guess.
Okay.
Like it's just fun to play.
Any role models in the sport?
No,
No?
I just like to play it. That's all.
Okay. What do you do all day when you're because there's a big difference between Japan and the Netherlands. So do you have any friends here?
Well, actually, most of my friends moved away that I went to school with. They moved away to America or some other place because they were going to college. And also, I have a bunch of friends in Belgium, but I can't go over there because there's a partial lockdown right now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I just have to wait, I guess, to see them again.
And how was that for you personally, and not being able to see your friends and meet up with them?
It sucks, obviously,
Yeah.
but it's better than having the risk of getting this disease and, you know, spreading it to a bunch of other people.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess hopefully they find a vaccine and I'll just have to wait a little longer until it's done and we can return back to normal, hopefully.
Okay, and your mom and dad, are they working now? And where do they teach?
At Af North.
Yeah, but where is it? Where is it located?
Do you know where Brunsum is?
Yeah.
It's there
Okay.
in Brunsum.
It has to do with the base, which is over there.
Yeah, it's close to there.
Okay. Okay. So you never asked yourself what it says?
Well, we translated it at one point, but I don't really remember what it says. Yeah.
Because your parents are teachers, I can imagine they asked themselves what it was, but hey, you're 19. What do you care?
Well, I'll probably, like after this, now that I've been made aware of it, I'll probably figure out what it means. It's probably a nice message to the house or something. I'm not sure.
Okay.
So.
How do you like it over here?
It's nice. I don't know. It's quiet. It's peaceful. Everybody is nice. Everybody speaks English. So.
Yeah,
I like it.
I think more people over here speak English than in Japan.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And what about the people? You like the people here?
Yeah, they're really nice. At first, it's kind of intimidating at first, but once you get to know them, it's not that bad.
Okay. How do you study at the moment?
Well, I'm not studying anything right now. Like I said, I'm in the process of getting a substitute teacher job. So I went to college in Belgium for a year, but I didn't like it there, so I came back here also because of COVID and to get a job as a substitute teacher.
Yeah, as you told me before. But isn't it incredibly hard not to get bored?
Well, I have some hobbies I do, like I make music, I helped coach the team at the school. I find stuff to do, you know.
Okay. What kind of music are you into?
EDM. Electronic.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what the E stands for.
Yes.
And the D and the M?
Dance music.
Ah. Do you compose?
Yeah, I do.
So you also play keyboards?
I don't play the keyboards very well. I'm trying to learn music theory at the moment, but yeah, I just do it for fun as well. I would love it to become my job, but it's very hard, obviously. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
And any role models for you in music, in electronic dance music?
I have a lot, actually. I doubt that anyone would know any of them. But their names are probably It's very embarrassing to say it like on camera. I don't know why, but like their names are Flaxdub, Satsujin, and I actually got to talk to them over the years, and it's very nice to be able to talk to them.
And was that at concerts?
No, it's just online.
Online.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where are these guys from? Are they from the US?
No, one of them is actually from the UK, and the other one is from the US. Yeah, but I connect with people from all over the world. Like I have friends in Argentina, in Poland, in Belgium, in Netherlands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank God for the internet when there's COVID.
Yeah, for sure. I would be like losing my mind.
Okay. So you're learning to be a substitute teacher, but if it was up to you, you would make a career in EDM.
Yeah, I would love that. Honestly, that would be a nice dream.
Okay. Didn't catch your name.
Nico.
Nico. It could be Japanese, but also could be Dutch. Nico.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Nico, thanks very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Say hi to your mom and dad.
Yeah, for sure.
Are your brothers in school now?
Yes.
Okay. It was nice to talk to you, and I hope you get to become what you want.
Yeah, thank you very much, and I hope your little show or whatever it is does well too.
Okay. Live the dream, not dream your life.